Welcome to Watersong, Rivertown's exclusive 55 plus active adult neighborhood. Now I can't wait to show you all that this community offers. First and foremost, I've been to other 55 plus neighborhoods, and frankly it feels like you're just going there to retire. But if you're looking for an active adult resort style, like you are coming here to play and live your best life and play games in the morning and socialize, then Watersong is where you want to live. Currently, we are at the Watersong Clubhouse. Now, there's going to be 2 phases when this is completed, but you can already see there's a lap pool, walk-in pool, a resort-style pool. There's also going to be a paw park, a fitness center, and bocce ball, pickleball, and there's an incredible sports bar that's located just inside. One of the coolest parts about Watersong is they have a floating golf tee that's a little golf pad up there, and they have biodegradable golf balls that turn into fish food. So if you don't make it, it's still good. I'm gonna get a little practice shot here. They are currently out. That's what I do. In addition to the private Watersong amenities, as a resident here, you're going to have access to all of the full Rivertown amenities. This includes the River Club, the River House, pool with a corkscrew slide, Olympic lap pool, an additional fitness center, yoga studio, and social rooms. You also get riverfront hiking and biking, tot lots, soccer fields, a paw park, the pier, and plenty of nature preserve. Here at Watersong, Mattamy has built homes starting in the 300s. You have 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2 to 3 bathrooms, and 2 to 2.5 car garage. All little options for single family and villa style homes for you. The square footages range from just over 1,400 all the way up to 2,500. So if you are 55 and above and you are not showing any signs of slowing down, I think you're going to find your place right here at Watersong inside Rivertown. If you'd like more information on Watersong here at Rivertown, make sure you contact our team. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more weekly real estate tips and videos.